So tell us what your name is. Tell the people that'll be looking at this video what your name is, which grade you are, that kind of stuff.
All right. Yeah, my name's Jager Mossman. I'm grade 9, freshman in high school. And pretty good time here.
Good. And what drew you to coming here to look for an intern position?
Well, I've done a ton of computer and electronic related stuff my entire life, and I've always been interested in it, and that's been my main hobby for as long as I can remember. So of course I wanted my first internship / job to be something in the field and something that give me more professional experience with this kind of thing.
All right. And are you in any computer related studies at the high school currently?
Yes, I am in the computer science class at the high school.
Okay. And are you also in the robotics class, or have you been?
No, I'm not currently in the robotics class, though I was in the club a couple years back.
Right, curious. All right. All right, well, thanks for coming here and being an intern. I appreciate the job you're doing, and look forward to getting you involved in a little bit more of it, software side as well.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And Shane, if I can bother you for just a moment.
Yeah, 1 sec. I can find a screw in.
All right. So tell us what grade you're in, how old you are.
I'm Shane. I'm 14 years old. I'm also a freshman in high school, and yeah.
And what attracted you to coming to CompuMatter to apply for an intern position?
So it started out as checking out a book at the library that was teaching you how to build your own PCs, and that's something I've always wanted to do. And I don't know, I just kind of educated myself with the book a little bit then. I don't know, I just kept getting more and more intrigued by technology. I just wanted to learn more ultimately. And,
All right. All right. And are you at high school right now? Are you enrolled in anything that would have anything to do with computers?
Not necessarily computers, but tech work, like in my robotics club, where we do a lot of programming
so you
with
get
JavaScript and stuff like that.
Right, a little bit of code and a little bit of hardware that's circuit board related anyway. Yeah. Okay. Well, I thank you for being part of CompuMatter, and I want to thank you both for bumping it up a notch every day and coming in all dressed up this way. I'll tell you what, that's quite a thing for people to see, and for other people your age to see. We don't see enough of that as adults. So thank you.
No
All right.
problem.